ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol ha kini ke number harum. Ukur tong juga Voice of the People Party Dr. AG Syngkon ula job Kput hak election Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat dek penlim lendang dalai lak nyupwe hajar kendai spa shipo vote you sitting MP ke Shillong ba Vincent H Pala bolong kurtong jang seng Congress. Kini kalong kat hadu kapur saw khatsan beje janmet ba Election Commission of India kal ajing ken ya ke junyo vote. Dakini ke jing job Dr. Ricky Syngkon ulayo sanlak nyupwe hajar nyu pravot uba Vincent H Pala ulayo shilak naib kendai hajar shispa andu pravot ke kurtong jang National People's Party ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalayo shilak prapundri hajar sauspa prapo pravot uba Robert Jun Kharjaran ubalong kurtong jang RDA bela penyeng de ke UDP be ke HSPDP ulayo sapusaw hajar sanspa andu pulai vote. Kat bahasa arui kertong shimen ketau Profesor Ïakhun kemau layo kat prahajar sanspa prapu arvot berubah Pyrshah layo nyo hajar arpu saw vote kipat ba beshep ya ke vote hau nota kilong katwe hajar prangon.
I, Returning Officer for the 1 Shillong District Parliamentary Constituency in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that I have, on the 4th day of June 2024, declared free Dr. Ricky Andrew Syngkon of Nomsdale, Block 6, Riboy District, sponsored by Voice of the People Party, who have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to the member of the House of the People, and that in token thereof I have granted to him the certificate of election. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
Vi kommer på penpau semua dublai try semrat kepala long kalau ini ke parti aduh kalau ini sedang hi menghidupkan kenangan dalam ke parti di soto pa kebor beliau ngimla bo kejing syanyak dublai pakum ki dalam ke parti lengkap dak ini ki betray masuk parti ini don ana tak kau iba bagi ratio tom parti lain election campaign ke jongi ya ada urut kita tentang pensok agama Pyrshah kon soto itu apa nama kita kata kom ke parti di soto la dengan let supaya apa Pyrshah supaya apa soto ya itu politics but politics kalau kumno kalau BPP kata ni pantawa dia kata kalau ni but kumno upaya ulai kata ni Pyrshah ni amaru pada hi kumba ni waktan dia kejengkala makanya kita kejeng sedang jong kejengkala na kabingi bom mentah saka ek kaba khamjana. Well, as you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party. and we will follow that vision. Well, first of all, let's remind you all that when we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we will be sitting together and we will work out, on a priority basis. So, which of those issues would be taken up? That we will let you all know once, as a party, we sit and take a decision. You said BJP is doing good, but actually they are not doing. We have our own stand, and we will stick to our principle, right, as a party.